Cartesian coordinate system. Ibasa nga, everybody, ready, go. System. Si Rene Descartes, siya yung naka-invent. He was the first person to use this Cartesian line or Cartesian coordinate system. So the other name for coordinate system or Cartesian coordinate system is rectangular coordinate. Everybody say it again.
Rectangular coordinate system.
So rectangular coordinate system. Another name for or Cartesian coordinate system. Okay. Okay. So René Descartes who is he? He is a French mathematician, a philosopher, and a theologian. Mathematician siya, philosopher is